Have you ever wondered what makes a good system of governance? Is it cooperation, communication, finance, or production rates? It all starts with the mission statement, hence creating the purpose of the company. The members, founders, or creators are the ones who create the mission statement. The mission statement can be anything, but it must be achievable. If the mission statement is not achievable, then the company has to change it. The management controls the departments. The CEOs, which are the chief executive officers, lead or control the company. And the board of governors keeps the CEO on track. The reason I said control is because it might be an autocratic system that they give no choice of what to do the employees. A democratic system is the opposite of autocratic. They give a vote, so if employees vote more yes or no than yes or no, it is yes or a no. All the employees are put into different departments, which are groups, and these departments have to work and communicate with each other. The departments band together when they have a project. These departments have production rates to keep track of how much they produce. These departments manages each of their specialties. The production rates contain charts of expected rates and achieved rates. If the achieved rates are lower than the expected rates, then the employees will have to work harder. If the expected rates are lower than the achieved rates, the system rewards the workers. The finance department makes sure the system does not spend too much money towards a product, a resource, object, or project. They write checks for the employees and their salaries and for the system to spend. If they do not protect the money, the system could go bankrupt. The marketing department are the ones who sell the products to big shops like 7-Eleven and advertise these products so you can purchase the products. There are different marketing departments in the world trying to sell their products to the biggest shop in the continent. If they did not do their job properly, the system would not earn more money. Fails to do the job, the employees will quit their jobs and the customers would wonder why doesn't the customer service work. Does the human resources department take care of the stakeholders who are employees, customers, and the human resources? Departments are in charge of the human resource department are in charge of the customer service and learning about the customer and employees' opinion. If the HR department all this makes a good system of governance. And now you know what a good system of governance is.